here is how the Mors Mini fits on every single size of Hermes scarf. Here's how it looks on the 20 milli, 45, 55, 70, the 70 version 2, and the size 90. Don't let anyone tell you that it's not going to fit on a size 90, because it definitely fits on a size 90. Size 20 rolled up with the ends through, what would fit as a bracelet with a tie. So we'll do this Precious Paradise Twilly. I'll have the tag on it. Official. Through one side, get around my neck, the other side through. Just like this, take it around like that, off center it, have the detail over there with a little bow. Pocket square size 45. I'm gonna fold this in a bias fold, and because I still have the tag on this one, I'm gonna make sure that the tag's rolled into the center. On the neck, put this ring on one corner, no issues. This goes all the way up. Is in the center. Also have enough room to pull this around, put it off center like this. 55 bandana or bias fold on the neck. It has a bit more sizing in it than the other ones, which is what makes a scarf stiff. Can't go as far up on this one. Pretty much as far as we can go. Size 70. Ring over one corner. It goes pretty much the whole way. Around the neck or side through. It's like this, which is great. Even pull it back. Actually, another way, a bandana like this. And then over here, still have enough room to pull it to the back. Our ring is just 90 centimeter. The only option is probably to bring it around is what the Mini Mors looks like on a size 90. Don't have to buy the Mors size 90, which I felt like it looked too big. Clearly the mini fit is it on every scarf.